Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is going to be how to fix your gel eyeliner. So usually we guys have the problem that our gel liner tends to get dry very soon. Like just 1 month it would work perfectly, but just after that it completely dries off. So I have a solution to that problem. So I'm going to be telling you 3 ways how to fix your gel liner. So the first method is put your gel liner into microwave for a maximum 30 seconds and you are sorted. Yeah, that's the first solution. Like once you put into your microwave, it will become like how it was when you purchased it. So that's the simplest solution. But the only thing to take care of is, for example, I have this one by Maybelline. Do not put it along with the cap because this is plastic and this is glass. So remove the cap and then just put this glass container into your microwave. If you put this entire thing, like the plastic will get melted off. So it's only for the glass container. Put your glass container for 30 seconds into microwave and you are sorted. Method number 2 is add 2 to 3 drops of hair serum in your dried gel liner. Yes. For example, this is the dried gel liner and just add 2 to 3 drops of hair serum. Take a fine brush and mix it well and then you are good to go. That was the method number 2. And last but not the least, method number 3 is firstly take a lighter or a matchstick, whatever you have, burn that flame and put that flame into that container. Like let the liner like warm up and burn a bit, and after that it's completely like warm or so, take off the lighter and then add 2 drops of your makeup setting spray and then mix it with a thin brush. Again, you are sorted. So these were the 3 methods to fix your gel liner, so you can use that instead of buying a new one. Do try these methods at your home. I hope this video was useful to all of y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and do share my video to your friends and family. So yeah, that's it for my today's video, and do hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video of mine. Thank you so much for watching, all of y'all. Goodbye.